So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Libra. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Emperor, the Four of Cups, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is a Hierophant. So in their mind space, there's a lot of spirituality. There's a lot of this energy of, okay, let me have spiritual growth. Let me go towards spirituality. Let me connect with spiritual people. Let me find my peace. Let me find my tribe. When it comes to their heart space, this person is kind of portraying themselves as a very strong person, but this person is very upset when it comes to this person's love and relationship area, because they are not able to connect with anybody that the way they were connected to you at some point of time, and they're quite upset that they're not able to find the like love of their life, and the options that they have are not matching with their vibes or matching with their energies, and they're kind of trying to find somebody like you or someone better than you, and they're not able to find that. Although this person is still having some kind of ego issues or some kind of this kind of portraying themselves as a very strong personality, but this person is quite upset about their love and relationship area. Even if they're pretending to be completely fine and happy, I don't see this person as a happy-go-lucky kind of a person. This person is kind of suffering in silence regarding their love and relationship area. Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the King of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. See, this person wants to put in the effort and energy in the direction where they're going to have equal give and take of energy, right? Now, this person want to keep themselves blocked from taking any kind of action in this direction towards you, and keep their emotions to themselves. They still have emotions for you, Libra. This person still cares for you deeply, but they don't want to show it to you at all, at any cost. This person doesn't want to show you any ounce of feelings. They don't want to express anything to you. They don't want to take any kind of action towards you. In fact, even if they are going to get this urge to connect with you or do something about this situation, they just want to keep themselves busy and distract themselves with this energy of, I don't care, I don't want to go back to Libra, because I don't want to show them how upset I am and how miserable I am. This is going to bruise my ego in some way. So this person doesn't want to get their ego hurt by telling you that they're upset about their love and relationship area, and they still have emotions for you. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 13th of October, Libra. They have the Empress, the Justice, the Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Fool card. There are very high chances that you guys are going to talk to each other, Libra. I do see this person talking to you. They are going to tell you about how happy they are, how good their life is. Directly or indirectly, this person is going to tell you how happy they are, and they're having lots of growth and expansion after this breakup and separation. So whatever happened for a reason. You might end up uh, meeting this person by chance, or you might be having mutual friends, but they're going to make sure that you know that how happy they are and how their business is growing, their career is growing, and their life is glowing, and everything is so beautiful. And they're going to make sure that you know all this by some means. I don't see this person coming towards you to make things right with you. I do see this person coming towards you to show off that they're very happy, they have a good life, and to test the waters whether you are still interested in them or not. This kind of energy I'm seeing from this person's side. So they will try to test the waters with you in some way, not directly. I don't know how, we will see, but this person will try to connect with you and try to make you see how good their life is, how beautiful their life is, how happy they are, and everything like that. maybe like a communication with you, random communication with you. Maybe you are going to meet while traveling or something. It's sudden, unexpected, and random, like suddenly out of the blue it's going to happen. Wow. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Libra, in this situation. We have the 10 of swords. Okay, this is over, this is done. If you're feeling defeated in the situation, if your ego is also bruised and hurt, try to make yourself understand that it's not the game of ego, it's the game of heart. Okay, and even if you're feeling defeated, it's completely fine to feel like this. We all are humans, and in love and relationship, it's always like either we are going to win or we are going to lose, and we have to accept the like defeat. Even if we are still in love with that person, even if we are suffering in silence, we have to accept the defeat and celebrate that, okay, something that was not meant for you is over and you're moving to the next chapter of your life. Okay, I know it's the hardest like pill to swallow, but this is it. Yeah, accept the situation for what it is instead of trying to like take it on ego. Try to understand that this is a lesson or a blessing, whatever you however you can take it, but not these days I take everything as a blessing. So accept it and move on, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.